Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, um, in the video that I did not even 3 days ago, I put this curtains up, the little ones, but I want to change them and I want to put these ones up because they had red for the month of Valentine. It had red, gold, and silver. So we are going to be combining these colors down here. We are going to be decorating the love seat with we're going to decorate with pillows and throw. So guys, I'm going to take those down. I'm going to put these up and then we are going to continue. Yes, guys. So yeah, come along and decorate with me. As you guys can see, I have a big heart there. The big heart is from the Dollar Tree. And guys, that's one of the covers that you use for the back of your dining chair. But it was too small for my dining chair because my dining chairs are wider. So it didn't go through. And I said, well, I bought it last year and I didn't try it. And then I said, well, let me try this year to see if it fit. It didn't fit. Then I said, well, I have a spot there. I added like 4 or 5 little dots of hot glue and I put it there, and I think it looks so cute to bring a little bit of Valentine to that corner. Anyway, guys, let me start talking. Let me put these curtains up. I mean, I already did this, but it's always dust flying around. So, yeah. Guys, beautiful. I already washed it. And now I don't know if I'm going to use it as a cover. Or anyways, let me figure that one out. How am I going to use it? All right, guys, even though when I tell you that I washed it, I have forgot that I didn't. So this is 2 hours later. So I washed it and I put it down like so. So I think I'm going to leave it like that. Because, guys, it's a big one. It's a big one. It's like a blanket type thing. But, guys, it is big. So I'm going to leave it like that. Even though my original pillows for my sofas has this color, I'm still going to use it. So, yeah, it blended with the curtains on the top. So I'm still going to use my pillow for my couches, for my couch. And hopefully I find some pillow covers that fit this one. I don't want to use the one that I have some burgundy ones, but I don't want to use that one. I want something like pink. Eventually, guys, you guys know I don't pay full price. Again, eventually thrifting, I will find what I want. So for now, I'm going to put my pillows back in the couch. Okay. It will be fine. It's not going to be a big deal. And also to add, I'm going to use the one my friend May Design Corner sent me. She sent me 2 pillowcases, so I'm going to use them. They blend in with the balance, the red with the balance curtain, and this the silver blends with the silver on the top as well, and the blue blends with whatever is on the couch. So we're gonna make it work, guys. We're going to make it work. So some people don't like color, but I do. I'm a happy person. I like color. I don't like things to be bland. So also I'm going to use, see, it's going to blend in. I'm going to use this pink pillow and my Uggs pillow. This is an Ugg pillow that I thrifted. I put it in the dryer to sanitize it, guys, and it is so soft. So we are going to utilize it right here in the center. I always keep this couch decorated. Now, when my family comes over, I take out the pillows, of course, and and they could sit in there and enjoy the space. But meanwhile, I keep it decorated. Also, when I cannot find my little one, Diamond, I know where she is. Anyway, guys, let me vacuum my little rug. Let's push the table back. Well, that's where I keep the table. I'm going to vacuum the rug as well. It's a thrift rug. I think I paid $3.99 or $4.99 for it. Diamond loves it. She always laying on it. And yeah, she never lays on the floor. But now since I got this, I come and I look for her. She's under the table sleeping. So let me vacuum it and let's continue. Guys, what did I tell you? Look, I just finished. Can you see her? You see her, right? She's right there. She blends in, guys. So she loves it. Anyways, I'm going to continue. I'm going to leave her alone. And we're going to go with my do I want to put a table? Let's see. Do I want to put like a little runner there? I think I do. I want to put like something pink there. Let me see what I can find, guys. Let's fix this recliner, straighten that one over there, and I'll show you all the way around. On the TV over here, I still have my runner that I use for Christmas with my blue candles holders. So we're going to get this runner out. And this was a runner that it was sent to be by my sweet friend, May Design Corners, like I said before. So let me shake. I still have some of the greenery from it. Shake it over here so it don't go on the rug. So I can just whip it up right quick. Okay. Now, you guys saw me that I decorated my, I used this centerpiece for my dining table, but now it's decorated a different way. So now I'm going to take the scarf that I tied around it. Just a little simple scarf, a Valentine scarf. So I'm going to use it over here. So this one looks so I will use this for my, I like to turn on little candles at night. So these little candles right here. So I want these. They're perfect for it. They are perfect. And I do have a set of them. I only got 2 of those. And I do have a set of candle holder, which I am going to find to put in there. So let me get that and we'll continue. All right, guys, I'm going to start here with my Valentine tree. I finished decorating. Of course, you guys know that this recliner is always stays like this. You guys know my reason, and you, my regular follower, you will know. Here is my corner with the Dollar Tree. Like I remember, I told you it's the back of the chair cover, but it don't fit on my chair. The curtains I put up. Guys, it's been snowing here since yesterday, so I see you could see outside. Everything looks so white. Here is my love seat couch, nice and decorated. Here is my flower arrangement, my little coffee table. Well, not my little, but my coffee table. And over there, you see my TV stand, which is decorated, simple, Dollar Tree scarf, and a Dollar Tree scarf, guys. And this is from the Dollar Tree from last year. And I got another one over there. And of course, you see my baby's toys. And like I said, there she is. She's blending. She's chewing on a bone that her father bought her. And my service dog, Apollo, my big boy, he put away this winter. We're waiting for the summertime to lose it all. And then this is the last table that I decorated for you guys. You guys will be seeing that coming up. Guys, so let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and I do too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye.